this short tutorial, we will guide you through the process of requesting a new feature on Madbot. Navigate to the community and select Feature Request. Once you're in the Feature Request section, you can browse through the list of existing ideas and vote for any of them, or you could suggest a new idea by clicking on the Make a Suggestion button. Describe the feature you want to request. You can add a title of the feature and the description of it. You can even attach files as examples that can help us understand your needs better. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, simply hit the Create Post button and that's it. You've successfully requested a new feature for Madbot.